friends, what's going on? Myself Kaushik and welcome to another episode of Fly High India. In this video, I will show you how to install Angeli on your KTM RC390. You can follow the same procedure for your KTM RC200. This video is going to be in two parts. First one, installation procedure. Second one, connection procedure. The installation part is done by one of my friend. He used Fevikwik and silicone glue to attach the Angeli on my KTM RC390. Let's have a look. For the connection part, you have to remove the side panel of the RC390 and the front visor of the RC390. After removing all these three visors, it will look like this. Then you have to remove these three nuts. After removing these three nuts, you have to pull the DRL light tray. Then you have to remove this four nut. After removing this four nut, you have to remove this small plate. Now you can see the DRL light connection. I am going to connect my Angeli with this DRL light. I will show you the procedure. thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe, always wear a helmet. Bye bye.